This is verse 24 of the 13th chapter of the Gospel of Matthew. Jesus has wrapped up the first of his parables, the parable of the four soils, sometimes called the parable of the sower. And here we have the second of them that he gives. This apparently is still being addressed to his disciples, although it's certainly possible that this was a parable he gave more than once and probably was given to the crowds as well. In any event, alain, this is the word for another. It's in the accusative singular feminine because it goes along with parabolane. So another parable is the idea. Paretheken, this is from paradidomi, paratithemi. Tithemi means to set forth something, to put it out there. The para means to put it forth so that it's more or less emphatically displayed. So another parable he set forth is the way it would normally be translated. It's the aorist active indicative, third person singular. So another parable he set forth, autois, indirect object to them. Legon, saying, this is a present participle, lego, I say. Homoiothe, this is from homoioo, a contract verb, of course. In the active, it would mean I am like this, I'm like this or that. This is the passive, so it's made like, or is a passive sense. In this case, the subject of this passive verb is he basileia, the kingdom, ton urinon, of the heavens, or the kingdom of heaven, or the kingdom of God. Same thing, of course. Matthew tends to use kingdom of heaven to avoid using the name God, in deference to his Jewish audience, but same idea. So the kingdom of heaven is made like, or is like unto, passive sense here. This is an aorist active verb. It's the third person singular. Is made like, and then the object of the verb is anthropo. This is in the dative singular. Is made like unto, so it takes the dative here. Is like unto a man. Speironti, this is from speiro, it means to sow. It's a participle, it's an aorist participle, so having sowed. A man having sowed. Kalon, good. Sperma, seed. So a man having sowed good seed. Kalon, of course, is in the accusative. It goes along with sperma, also the accusative, direct object of the participle here. A man having sown good seed. N, preposition, takes the dative to agro, as in agriculture, in the field, out to, of him. Of course, the sentence is just the introduction to the parable he's going to be setting forth, but the kingdom of heaven, as Jesus is going to describe it, is like a man who goes out and sows seed. It's good seed he sows out there in the field.